how to block and unblock another user in Yelp. To block or unblock another users in Yelp, follow the steps that I'll be showing in this video. Welcome everybody to another tutorial. So the first step is to sign in into your Yelp account, just like I have done here. Alright, and then once you've signed in, the next thing to do is to navigate through to the user that you would like to block. Okay, now oftentimes the user will be located under your messages. And how do you locate your messages? Click on your profile icon by the top right corner, scroll down and then click on messages, and then here you'll see your conversation in here. All right, okay, so once you see the conversation, the next thing is to click on the person's username. So I'll try to look for uh now, yes, so click on the person's username or the person's profile to open up the person's to open up details about the person. So after clicking on the person's username and you are brought to the person's profile, you can see the name of the person, you can see the rating and all of that. And then once you can see this, by the time you scroll down, you can see more details about the business. So on this page, under the details of the business, you cannot see the option block because you can't block businesses on Yelp, only individuals. So the next now is to locate an individual to use as an example. So for example, this particular individual, after selecting the individual that you want to block, just click on the person's username and then you'll be taken to the page where you see details about the person's information, the person's profile. So as you can see, they scroll down to the lower part, so you can see the option block. Alright, so just go ahead and click on block that person automatically, and then once you've done that, the person will be added to your blocked users. So the next thing to unblock people after blocking them is to move to your account settings, which is located by the top right corner of the screen inside the profile icon box. So after clicking on account settings, take it to the accounts page. By the left side of the screen, scroll down and select friends, and then you'll see all of your friends, including those that have been blocked. So yeah, you can now decide to unblock them by clicking, by finding the user you want to unblock and click on block. So this is how it works. This is how you can block and unblock another user in here. Thanks for watching and have a good day.